Hey, it's Aaron, and today I'm going to show you my 3 top secret traffic sources that I use for my digital affiliate business. I've generated over about 11,700 clicks a month consistently with these top 3 strategies, and you can just grab them, okay? So I'm going to show them to you right now on my screen right here so you can see that I'm talking the truth. This one, 2,155 in 1 month. This one right here, about 566, and this one right here is a big one, 8,980, which is pretty darn cool, okay? Now, here's the cool thing about these strategies is that they're all free, okay? So I don't spend any money on these at all. You just have to learn how to do it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So the first one I'm going to go through is I'm going to show you on my phone right now. All right, so this strategy right here is TikTok, okay? If you're not using TikTok to market, the question is why the heck not? All right, I'm going to show you exactly how TikTok works, okay? So the cool thing about TikTok, and I think the thing that is doing really well on TikTok is basically talking head videos. All right, so you can see me doing a lot of talking head videos right there, and I'm literally just talking about my particular space, right? So remember, in affiliate marketing, you can sell in any space that you want: dog training, six-pack abs, building businesses, making money, investing, personal finance, whatever you want, right? So in every single one of these videos, what I do is I literally talk about that specific thing. Now, I'm in the business space. I teach people how to make more money using the power of the internet, right? So I talk about traffic. I talk about funnels. I talk about making income. I talk about quitting your 9 to 5. I talk about digital affiliate marketing, basically all of those topics, right? So if you see some of these videos, look at this one, right? 95,000 views, top left there. This one in the middle, 15,000. This one on the right-hand side, 71,000 views, right? You can see this one, right? 51,000, 4,000. Look at this one in the middle, almost 400,000 views. Okay, so pretty cool. Okay, so how do I do this? All I do is I grab my phone and I literally shoot a piece of content, 2 to 3 minutes long. I literally look at the screen, I talk about it, and then I think of a hook that I want to add that could be curiosity driven. So if you look at some of these hooks, look at this one, the one right in the middle, okay, just so that you can see. I don't know who needs to hear this today, but ... right? And then the one on the right hand side, websites anyone can use to make thousands from home, right? So it's a curiosity driven statement. And then I literally just kind of blabber away, okay? Now, a few tricks that I want to teach you about TikTok, all right, especially in this day and age when people are, a lot of people are marketing online, right, is you need to capture people's attention. So what I tend to do in the start of these videos is I will make some sort of movement, right, camera movement, like watch this one right here, okay? So I'm already walking, you can see it, right? Let me see if there's another one. I'm already walking in this one. You see this one? I kind of move the screen really quick. Let me show you that to you again. I move it and then I put it on the ground, right? All of these little things help people to stop the scroll, okay? Now, this one right here, you've been lied to. That is like a really interesting statement. It's a shocking thing, ... I'm talking straight away. I don't say, hey, how's it going? My name is Aaron, blah, blah, blah. No, you skip the intro. You want to go straight into the drama of the thing, right? The more movement, the better. Look, I'm walking. In a lot of my videos, I'm walking. See that one? I'm in the gym. I take the ceiling and then I move down, okay? And you can see all of them very, very similar, all right? And this is really the trick. You see, I'm moving on my chair. I'm just rotating, okay? So this is TikTok, all right? And then the way that you do it is you basically ask them to go and click on your link at the top there. So at the end, I'll say something like, hey, if this interests you, go ahead and comment ready and then follow me on my profile, okay? And then there are some instructions on my bio on how you can learn how to do this. And then they'll go click on it, and that is your link to your funnel, your affiliate links, and all that great stuff, okay? So this is the first one. TikTok's super powerful, but with TikTok, you do need to upload a lot. Okay, so you need to upload at least, I would say, between 1, 2, 3, 4 videos a day, right? So just get really good at just smashing them out. Don't overthink it. That's the thing. A lot of people think it needs to be perfect. You should watch my videos. Go to Win with Aaron C. This is my TikTok channel. I've got 276,000 followers just on this. I've got 3 channels. This is one of the channels, right? And I make a lot of mistakes, okay, in my stuff. Just like in my videos, even now I'm making mistakes, but I don't care because it's about content, it's about volume. Of course, you want quality as well, but the quality is in what you say. So make sure you're giving a lot of value in your videos, and that's how you win on TikTok, all right? So that's the first one. Now let's look at the second one, right? The second one is Instagram, all right? Instagram is a very, very cool platform, right? And you can see this particular channel on my Instagram. I've got 18,500 followers. I had an old one that had 300,000. So I've been on Instagram for a little while. I tried all sorts of different strategies, and then finally it really worked for me. The reason why I lost my 300,000 follower account was because they didn't like some of my videos, unfortunately, right? So I was trying to still figure out what Instagram liked and what they didn't. And when you're in the business space, it can be pretty tricky. So I'm not trying to break any rules, but I just want to be completely transparent with you. For example, if you're in the weight loss space, if you do before and after photos, Instagram will ban you, right, for doing that. They don't like that. So you have to learn what each platform likes and doesn't like, and then just do better. So this one I'm building back up, right, from zero, okay? Literally zero. Now it's at 18,500 followers. But here's the thing about, affiliate marketing is we don't care about followers. We just care about leads and views, right? So with Instagram, it's super powerful, okay? Instagram's slightly different, all right, from TikTok. So with Instagram, and this is the difference between, TikTok and Instagram. With Instagram, you have to try a lot of different formats, okay? With TikTok, generally the talking head videos work. Obviously, all other formats work as well. But I found on TikTok specifically, you can get away with talking heads as long as you are interesting, you've got good hooks, and you do a lot of movement, okay? With Instagram doesn't like talking head videos unless you're already huge. So if you're like, a big time personality, you're a really famous entrepreneur, then it's easy. You already have like millions of followers. You can do whatever you want, honestly, right? But if you're just getting started, like, you're an average Jane, an average Bob, right? You have to basically do it in the right way so that Instagram will give you views, okay? So the first time you grow your Instagram channel, you're really not going to have a lot of views. The trick with Instagram is you want to break through what we call the 300 view jail, okay? And you do that not by doing the same thing over and over and over again. What you got to do is you got to do something different every single time. So the easiest way is to click on the magnifying glass on the bottom, okay? And then what we want to do is we want to search for your niche, okay? So let's just say you're in the business space, right? I would just do something like make money online, okay? And then search for it. And then you want to find the top videos in this space, right? So any video that has done over 500,000 views, you can model that video. So what I would do is I would grab an Excel spreadsheet and literally just copy all of these links, like this one right here. Even though this is cool, this did a lot of views, generally these kind of videos, when you first start, they don't do well, okay? B-roll with a hook is very boring as a new video, as a new channel. Once you're very experienced and you've got a lot of followers, then this can be good. But anyway, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna press the arrow, and then we're gonna click copy, and then we're gonna put that into our spreadsheet. Okay, so this is one of them, and then another one like this one right here. Okay, this is a talking head video. Again, very, very difficult. So we're not gonna model this one. This one is talking head with like podcast style a little bit. Very difficult. So we're not gonna do that. Let's see what else there is. Okay, this one. Side hustle so simple, a 12-year-old can do it. So this is a good hook, and then it moves. It's a talking head video, but it moves quickly. Okay, so we might want to copy this one. So I'm going to copy that one right there. Okay, this one has, look at this one. Side hustles, I wish I knew sooner. So again, talking head, it moves. It's a good hook. This is why this one works. So we're going to copy that one. And then we're just going to keep going. Okay, look at this one, 3 million views. Okay, 3 million views. This guy's just recording his screen and basically giving the step-by-step. That is the format. So we're going to copy this one. All right. And what you want to do is you just want to keep doing that and keep looking for different formats. And when I say a format, it's the way that the video is shot, right? Is it a talking head? Are you recording a screen? Are you recording your hands writing something down? Is there a lot of graphics? Are you commenting on a particular other video, right? So this is what a format is called. And in order for you to break through Instagram, you have to test many, many different formats. So if you look at my channel, you can see that I've got a lot of different formats that I'm testing, right? None of them look the same. The screen is always different. Look, this one is a whiteboard one. This one is me drinking beer. This is B-roll and text. The one on the left is basically pieces of paper. The other one is, this one is me walking in and then boom, text pops up, right? So this is a specific format. Look at this one. This one is like a piece of paper. I'm drawing on it, giving resources, right? This one is also a piece of paper, but there's a hook. And then I give a lot of different resources on this one. You can see that, right? So all sorts of different format. This one is B-roll with like a good hook, okay? This one's the same. This one is basically resources that just pop up on the page with a good hook on the top. So all different types of formats, right? This is the secret to doing well on Instagram. If you keep doing the same thing, you will keep getting the same shitty result, okay? Now, here's the trick. Once you start getting videos that are doing well, like this one has done 17,000 views, I'm gonna keep remaking this video in different ways because I know that this format works, okay? So the trick is to find a format on Instagram that works and then keep repeating it. This is a winning format for me, right? I'm gonna keep doing it, different hooks, same style, okay? Let me find another one that did really well for me. This one is not bad, right? This is basically, it has to do with my mom, okay? And this specific hook. So I'm gonna do lots of shots with my mom and my dad and then redo this hook in a slightly different way, but this is what people are really, really liking, I'm finding, okay? And then what you do is you can connect ManyChat to Instagram and you can say something like, hey, if you like this, comment networks below and I'll send you the link. And then you automate ManyChat to send them the link. All right. So this is one of the ways I get, my traffic on Instagram. Okay. So that's TikTok and Instagram. And I'm going to show you guys my final one. So the final one is Facebook, okay? Good old Facebook. And that sounds really weird, right? Because Facebook is such an old platform, but I'm generating the most amount of leads on Facebook right now. You can see this 264,000 followers. How am I doing this, okay? So first of all, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have a decent amount of friends. If you don't have enough friends on Facebook, all you need to do is just come over here and type out the name of your groups that you're interested in. So if you're in the business space, maybe I'll type out something like make money groups. Okay, dog training groups, six-pack ab groups, losing weight groups, right? Things like that. And then I'm going to go into all of the groups and like as many people as I can, friend them, and some of them will friend you back. The other way that you can do it is you can post valuable content. Just go to Google and type out something like, step-by-step how to make money online, and then grab different images that teach you how to do that, and then you can drop them in here. And what's going to happen is over time, people are going to start to friend you back, right? Because we want to request as many friends as possible, and that's how social media works. You friend people, and then maybe 20 or 30% of them will accept that friendship. Now, once you have a few thousand friends, what you want to do is you want to come here and post a lot of valuable content in your space. So my space is business, right? So I'm going to talk about how to build businesses, how to make money, AI, right? Software, tools, stuff like that. So I'm just constantly posting these things. And I do about 20 posts a day, right? That give people a lot of value. And then what happens is people will share them. Okay, so you can see here, right? So this is a valuable post I created on Canva, and then you can see people sharing it. Okay, now this is where the magic happens. So people comment, they like it, they share it, and then people see it on their profiles and their friends and friends' profiles, and people will come back and be like, who is this Aaron Chen person? They come back here, they check out my profile. It's like, ooh, ex-corporate slave. This is the hook in my bio, right? I make 1K a day using social media. Here's the link, and this is the link to my sales funnel. And then people come in, they become a lead, and then I promote different affiliate products to them, okay? And this is the Facebook strategy in a nutshell, super simple. And then I add my Instagram videos here as well. There's an automated way. Once you post on Instagram, it'll just post on Facebook directly, right? So now I'm adding value by posting resources that people love. They share it, they like it, they comment, and then they watch my videos, and it builds even more trust. Let me find some of my videos right here, because I've got a lot of posts. You see, these are my Instagram videos. You can see, look at that, right? 92 comments, 7 shares, right? Some videos will do better than others, but you're building even more of a relationship. You're adding more value on a different platform. Everybody comes back and they click on the link right here. And this is how I generate leads. So I hope you enjoyed that. These are my 3 secret traffic strategies. I know it's not like mind-blowing, but honestly, a lot of people in the affiliate space, they don't even know how to do this. Most people would just go and buy a solo ad. Please don't ever buy solo ads. They are a waste of time, super low quality. You have to learn to generate your own leads. And you do that by becoming a content creator. Okay, these are all free methods. I didn't cover any paid methods today, but these are my top winning traffic sources. Save this video, subscribe. This is all I talk about on this channel: making money, generating traffic, becoming more profitable. And if you want to find out how to then take this traffic and build trust with your audience so that they actually buy the affiliate products that you want to sell, I show you how to do that in great detail inside my masterclass. You can access that for free in the comment section below. See you there.